Michael B. Jordan won the Oscars yesterday night. He wore this brooch made by David Yurman. Notice that it has 9 petals. He wore it in the back of his neck, or where the death is. Michael B. Jordan wore a secret brooch to the Oscars. I'm going to tell you what the secret is. Michael B. Jordan won an Oscar. Goes with Ashen Light. 103. He is doing a second remake of the Thomas Crown Affair movie. That gives you 159 and goes with Dust in Venus was a painting in that movie with VENICE, but I changed it to VENUS. The movie's going to come out next year, March 5th, 97. The Thomas Crown Affair, 97. Ashton Light is 103, 49, and 50. Michael B. Jordan won an Oscar, 103. Steve McQueen, 50. Steve McQueen was in the 1968 Thomas Crown Affair, and he wore a boiler hat, 49. What is an ashen light? Astronomers have long debated a phenomenon called ashen light, a faint, mysterious glow sometimes seen on the night side of Venus during its crescent phase, which some hypothesize could be caused by lightning or air glow in its upper atmosphere. The ashen light of Venus is 83. Michael B. Jordan, 83. What is the light? An astronomy evolved into astrophysics during the late 19th and early 20th century. Observers and theorists alike came to gradually accept some basis in reality for the ashen light and began to search for plausible physical explanation. One by one, these explanations are considered, including the reflected light of the Earth and stars, a phosphorescent atmosphere or surface, and even the possibility that the ashen light results from the activities of a race of intelligent Venusian beings. Each is examined in turn along with the thinking that produced it and evidence both for and against. As the 20th century dawns, some feel that the mystery would never be fully solved. In 1643, Italian astronomer Giovanni Riccioli discovers a faint glow on the night side of the planet Venus. Other astronomers over the ensuing centuries will also observe the ashen light, but one of the longest-running mysteries of astronomy still defies conclusive explanations. Riccioli was an astronomer of some repute, working in the first generation after Galileo. He discovered that Mizar, the middle star in the handle of the Big Dipper, is actually a double star, the first one known. He also discovered satellite shadows on Jupiter and published a map on our moon's surface. The moon he assigned was a sea of tranquility or sea of storms, or still used today. Earthshine and Venus, the morning star, is 107. The Oscars, 108, 135. Ashen light brooch with 9 petals, 135. March 5th, 2027, 108. Now, they didn't give a name to what he wore, but I did. I just put it together. Ashen light brooch with 9 petals. The number 9, why is it 9 petals? Because there's 9 month cycles. Venus travels as a morning star for approximately 9 months and an evening star for 9 months. The descent phase of Venus is described as a slow 9-month journey as it moves farther from Earth. Number 9, as we know, signifies the closing of a cycle before a new beginning, sometimes linked with energetic spiritual aspects of Venusians. Venus, the morning star, goes with 107, goes with when Thomas the Thomas Crown Affair movie was released on August 6, 1999, with Pierce Brosnan and Rene Russo, and I watched it yesterday. Sea of Tranquility, 212. And one of the painters in that movie was Irene Margaret's, 212. Giovanni Riccioli, 169, 97, 263, goes with Michael B. Jordan, 263, goes with the Thomas Crown Affair, 97, goes with the Poker Sympathy painting by Cassius Marcellus Coolidge, 169, and goes with March 5th, 97. Ashen Light Brush is what I named it. 83, 79. Ashen Light of Venus, 79, 83. And goes with Michael B. Jordan, 83. So I named it right. His middle name, Bakari, is 42, 48. March 5th, 48. Sea of Storms, 42. Celestial Rose, 143, 53, 82. Venusian Beings, 82. Earthshine, 53. Ashen Light Brooch by David Yerman, 143. David Yerman, interestingly, is 132, 165, 66. Go with the Sea of Storms, 66. Goes with the Dusk on Venus, 165, 132. More confirmation. The higher manager, Evan Yerman, 134 and 55, goes with Earthshine, 55. Goes with Ashen Light Brooch, David Yerman, 134. But still, 366 years of similar observations. Those who have seen the ashen light of Venus report it looks like a lot like the reflected earth shine that sometimes casts a dull glow on the moon, but not even that bright. It's most easily sighted when the dusk edge of the sunlight on Venus faces Earth. Now, to top it all off, what did Michael B. Jordan do? He takes his Oscar to In-N-Out Burger as he celebrates winning Best Actor award for Sinners. Okay, very bizarre, but there's a reason. And the reason was when you put in In-N-Out Burger, it gives you 83. Goes with the Ashen Light of Venus, 83. The Ashen Light Brooch, 83. Hence, that's the secret to his brooch. Hence, is about the return of Lucifer, you could say that, in the sense of the morning star.